Today we are creating what is hands down the best vegan party food. I love this. If you ever invite me to a party and you want me to bring some food, you're in luck because this is exactly what I'm going to bring. It is sun-dried tomato hummus. And I do it with these tortillas. I do these with the George Foreman grill, but you can just stick them under the regular grill, get them on the way while we're making our hummus. There we go. We're using the NutriBullet today, but you can use like any stick, hand processor, whatever you like. We'll grab our chickpeas and give them a little drain. To rinse them as well. These ones aren't too mushy, but sometimes you get quite a lot of mushy water in with the chickpeas. Stick these in, and I'm not using tahini in this recipe. I prefer it without, but feel free to use it. A lot of people like it, but this works really well without tahini. So, this is embarrassing. Got to use a bit of science, brains and brawn. All right, let's go. We're gonna stick a load of the sun-dried tomatoes just straight in like this. There we go, that looks good. And this is what really takes it to the next level and just gives it so much better flavor, is we use the oil from this rather than just regular olive oil. So we'll pour a load of that in. And the way I measure it is I get the oil up to about halfway up the chickpeas. And with this recipe, you can adapt it and add a little bit more of this, a little bit of that, and taste it along the way until you got it just perfect. Gonna stick in some lemon juice. It's not fresh lemon juice, but this stuff's a lot more convenient, so I often use it. And this, you probably want about half as much as you put in of oil. I'm gonna stick in our cumin. And this, honestly, adding in the cumin to hummus, whatever type of hummus you make, is an absolute game changer. Smoked paprika as well, especially with this, goes so nice with the tomatoes. Stick a load of salt in there, and we'll put in a bit of garlic. Cool, and it's all gonna get whizzed up, so we can just stick the garlic in whole, put it on, and time to give it a quick whiz. Let's leave that a sec and we'll take these first batch out, and they go kind of crispy. Honestly, this is such a game changer as well. Lots of game changers in this video. I love the smell of the tortillas as well. Boom, that's another batch in, and we'll get back to this. Obviously the NutriBullet is meant for smoothies. It's not ideal for hummus, but you've just got to shake it up a few times and it will do the trick. Cool. So let's give it our first taste test and see how we're doing. So already you can see it needs a little bit more liquid, but let's taste it. Oh, man, that is so good. A little bit more lemon juice and a little bit more oil, just to smoothen it up. Try again. Yeah, that's smoothened up. Damn, that is so freaking good. I love that you can just tub it up so easily. The hummus can go in a tub. You can tub up these and transport them. They're still good when they're cold as well. So it's the perfect thing for like a picnic or anything like that. Let's grab some of these, and we're gonna chop a few up just to add some garnish. I like to chop it up nice and roughly. They don't all need to be the same size or anything. You can also mix them through if you want to have little bits inside the hummus as well. And we're going to add a little bit of cumin as well, and a bit of paprika too. Yeah. So we'll just quickly stick these in the side. This is my absolute favorite little snack, and let's grab a little chunk with the hummus and some sun-dried tomato. Well, you can hear the crunch, and it's got a sweetness to it. Oh, it's smoky, I need to get better at describing flavors, but it is so nice. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like it if you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.